How to transfer money from HSBC mobile app. Now, transferring money from HSBC mobile app is very convenient and easy. All you have to do is just log in from the mobile app, and once you logged in, there will automatically be displayed an option that says send and transfer. All you have to do is to choose on those options in which way are you trying to transfer the money with. Now in here, this is actually the HSBC website. This is the guide and the rules and regulations on how much you can go ahead and transfer. Now, you can move between $10 and $50,000 into your HSBC account daily if you're using this currency. You can also set up a one-time and recurring transfers and receive email alerts for upcoming transfers, transfers in progress, and completed transfers. Now, for you to be able to get to this website, all you have to do is just pull up your preferred web browser and head directly to HSBC depending on your current location. Once you're here, just hover your mouse to online banking and choose on whether a bank-to-bank transfer or move money or a global money account. Now you can try to hover around these options right here till you will able to see these rules and regulations. Now, for non-business day, the transfer will be processed the next business day after it's requested. However, it may take up to 3 business days to post. So this is also important for you to be able to know if you are thinking about a delay that you haven't or your recipient haven't received the fund yet. So you need to be able to know the rules and regulations first before you can move around your money. So again, transferring money using the HSBC mobile app is just by logging into your mobile account, and then once you logged in, there will automatically be an option there that says send and transfer. So those are the things that you can do on how you can transfer money from HSBC using the mobile app.